Hi guys, my name is Ife, aka Royal Fitness, and welcome to my channel for your best home workout routines using the resistance bands and your body weight. And before we proceed, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's Royal Fitness on YouTube and Facebook, and for Instagram and Twitter, Alpha of the Pride. Thank you. So today we're going to be focusing on the lower body resistance bands workout, specifically on the squats and the lunges. So resistance band squat and lunges, the lower body exercises that uses the resistance band for more resistance to strengthen and build up your leg muscles and your glutes. Using this resistance bands gives you the power and the leverage you need while allowing you to sit back on your heels, concentrating on firing up your glute muscles for the motion. Now, the whole leg muscle gets activated in this process as you press up to stand up against the resistance band. Watch this video demonstration and don't forget to share, like, and comment. Thank you. Stand on the band with your feet shoulder width apart or a little wider, which is a sumo style. Hold the handles next to your shoulders or behind and over your shoulders. This way, the band is behind the back of your arms. Focus your eyes on a specific spot in front of you to help keep your balance intact. Slowly squat down and back into the starting position, keeping your abdominals tight and chest lifted. Make sure your knees do not extend past your toes when you look down. If they do, then you're leaning too far forward. Press back up through heels, squeezing the glutes. You should feel the tension in your thighs and buttocks. Not on your knees and back. And note, pointing your toes outwards to engage inner thighs or inward to engage outer thighs is totally up to you. For the front squat, position the resistance band in front of your face, just below your chin. Tuck your elbows into the middle of the band so it rests in between your throat and your upper chest. Don't forget to keep your elbows pointed out forward and keep your arms parallel to the floor. The muscle targeted in this workout are your glutes, your hamstrings, your quadriceps, and your core. For the lunges, stand with one foot in the middle of the resistance band. Make sure the band is tightly positioned in the middle of your foot. Pull the bands over your shoulder and grip it tightly to your chest. Keep your balance and lift one leg and lunge it backwards with the foot that is not on the resistance band. With your back straight and head straight, elbows back, chest up, bend your knees and lower your body to the ground. Your front knee should be directly over your ankle and your back knee should only be a few inches above the ground, and you should be on your toes on the back foot. Repeatedly move your body up and down from the lunge position through your front quad muscle to the standing position without moving your feet. Note, slowly perform the motion in reps to focus on the correct form and deepen the intensity. The more you pull with your upper body, the harder the intensity will be in your legs. Thank you.